In this video, I'm going to show you how in your Drive to start a new Google document. So you want to make sure that you're in your Drive. It should say Drive up here in the left. And then we are going to be making a new Google Doc. So we're going to click the blue button that says New. We've made folders before. This is where you choose what type of document or folder you want to add to your Drive. And in this case, we want a Google Doc because we're going to be typing some research. We want a Google Doc. So again, you click blue, the New button, and you want Google Doc. Right when you get here, it's going to open up a Google Doc typing screen. The first thing you want to do is title your document. So it says Untitled Document. We're going to highlight that and delete that. And then we're going to name our document with our last name, our first name, a dash or an underscore, and for this assignment it's dog research. But this would work for any Google Doc assignment that you're doing. And then click enter. So again, the first thing you want to do is name it with your first and last name. Put your last name first, then your first name. And then whatever the assignment is should go second. And in this case, it's dog research. The next thing I want you to do is organize this document. Do it right away before you forget. So when you go back to find your typed document, it's easy to find. So we're going to move it. Right now, it's just in your Drive. Where you want to put it is in your English 6 folder. So you have to click the arrow, go to English 6 folder. And you have different folders than I do. You have a nonfiction folder. So instead, you're going to choose nonfiction. I have all my hours here. If you wanted to keep going, you would just click the arrow. And then once you decide, yep, it's in my nonfiction folder, you click Move Here. So you want to organize every file you make in Google Drive. Don't just let them accumulate in the open on your Drive. You want to organize them into the correct folder. Once you have here, you're ready to type. So right away, you want to put your name, date, and hour. And in order to do that, you want your name, date, and hour to be over here in the upper right-hand corner. So right here, these are our alignments. This is aligning text on the left, in the center, and on the right. For your name, you want it to be on the right. So I'm going to click right, and you'll notice that the cursor moved from over here to right here. And then I'm going to just type my first and last name, click return. I'm going to type the date, November 6th, 2017, and then the hour. When I'm done here on the right, I'm going to click return, and I'm going to put it to the center. Because right here in the center, I want to put the title of my writing. And for mine, I'm going to be researching Silky Terriers. One of my puppies is a Silky Terrier, and I want to learn more about them. So there's my title. I'm going to click return again. So now my cursor is underneath here. I don't want it centered anymore, so I'm going to choose left. And you'll see my cursor jumps over. So in order to get your text to move from the right to the center to the left, you use these buttons right here with the lines. This is where I'm going to start typing. And because I'm typing a paragraph, I can't start all the way to the left. I need to indent my paragraph. And on a computer, to indent your paragraph, you simply push the Tab key once. I'll show that again. So I clicked the Tab key, and it jumped 5 spaces in. This is where you would start typing. And you will start typing your research that you've been working on for the last couple of days. This is how you save it in Google Drive. Make sure you get this message, all changes saved in Drive. Then you know all the work you're doing will be saved in your Drive. And when you go to find it later, here's your Google Drive, English 6, 7th hour, it should be there.